Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. I'm Barsabet Takhla and following are the major headlines for today. Progress of Ministry of Health in the past years of independence. A new dam is under construction in the Darfur area, Eritrea subzone. Israel's military operations force closure of all medical institutions in Rafah. And China urges Philippines to stop making irresponsible remarks on South China Sea dispute. On your domestic reports, at the third National Health Policy Review, the Ministry of Health reported that it has developed the third Health Service Sector Development Program 2022-2026. This program incorporates essential healthcare packages, which are vital tools for attaining universal access to quality healthcare and increasing the equitable distribution of healthcare services. According to the report presented, Eritrea has made substantial investments in its public health system in conjunction with other developmental programs, resulting in continuous improvements that have narrowed the health protection gaps. Eritrea has come a long way in improving maternal and newborn health. The under-5 mortality rate has steadily declined from 153 deaths per 1,000 live births in 1990 to 37 in 2022, registering a remarkable 76% reduction. Eritrea's significant advances in routine childhood vaccination have garnered recognition and multiple awards from various regional and global organizations over the past 2 decades. Universal immunization has been sustained in Eritrea at around 98% since 2013. The Ministry of Health has been constructing maternity waiting rooms in health facilities for pregnant women who live far from health facilities. Consequently, deliveries at health facilities reached 83.7% in 2023, up from only 6% in 1991. Regarding health facilities, the report indicated a marked expansion of healthcare services. The national health infrastructure has increased 3.7-fold from 93 in 1991 to 347 in 2023. Accordingly, 70% of the population has become beneficiary of health services within a 5-kilometer radius from place of their residence with nominal payments. Malaria incidence in Eritrea has dropped significantly, and malaria-related deaths have plummeted to only 5 in 2023, a significant achievement compared to 405 malaria-related deaths in 1998. Praiseworthy progress has also been registered in controlling the prevalence of tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS. As a result of heavy investment in the past years of independence, disease remedy and prevention have increased manifold, disease incidence has decreased significantly, and the average life expectancy of the people stood at 68 in 2023, almost 20 years higher than in 1991. On your last local report, a new dam in cooperation with the community and members of the defense forces is under construction in the Darfur area in Eritrea subzone. Engineer Kaseta Gebregergis, coordinator of the project, indicated that the dam has a capacity of holding 200,000 cubic meters of water. Engineer Kaseta also mentioned that upon the completion of the construction, the dam will significantly contribute to enriching the underground water and ensuring potable water supply to the public, as well as supporting the development of vegetable and fruit farming. Commending the substantial investment the government is making, Mr. Umar Ibrahim, administrator of Darfur area, called on the residents to strengthen participation in the construction effort, understanding its contribution to their daily lives. The residents, for their part, expressed a readiness to play due part in the effort, noting the dam's contribution to improving their livelihoods. Dear viewers, do stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Israel's recent military operations in Gaza's southern city of Rafah have forced all local main hospitals to shut down, which will further exacerbate the already severe humanitarian crisis. Israel ordered new evacuations on Saturday in Rafah as it prepared to escalate its military operation a day after the United Nations passed a resolution endorsing the Palestinian request for full UN membership. More than 1 million displaced Palestinians are seeking refuge in Rafah, where a dire humanitarian crisis looms large due to shortages of essential supplies such as water, food, and medical care. The UN has warned that a Rafah invasion would lead to a rise in civilian casualties. On today's final report, today, China's foreign ministry urged the Philippines to stop making irresponsible remarks and to stop trying to mislead the international community after the Philippines accused China of building an artificial island in the disputed waters. The Philippines said on Saturday that it had deployed ships to a disputed area in the South China Sea, where it accused China of building an island at the Sabina Shoal. The Coast Guard sent a ship to monitor the supposed illegal activities of China, creating an artificial island, and 2 other vessels are also in rotational deployment in the area. Quote-unquote, the accusations made by the Philippine side against the Chinese side are groundless and purely fabricated, China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin said in a statement today. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Progress of Ministry of Health in the past years of independence. A new dam is under construction in the Darfur area, Eritrea subzone. Israel's military operations force closure of all medical institutions in Rafah. And China urges Philippines to stop making irresponsible remarks on South China Sea dispute. Dear viewers, that was it for today. We thank you for watching and have a good one.